How to fix CapCut not opening or not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So first you want to click on the start menu and then search for CapCut. Now try to right click on it and basically try to run it as administrator and confirm it. Now if this doesn't fix the issue for you, what you can do next is right click on the start menu and go to settings. Or you can also right click on the start menu and go to apps and features or installed apps for Windows 11. And in here you want to search for CapCut, which is this one right here. And then you will simply press the uninstall button and click on uninstall again, and then confirm and follow the steps to uninstall CapCut. Now, if you have already downloaded CapCut from your browser, from the website, I recommend trying to download it from the Microsoft Store instead. So you can open Microsoft Store and look for CapCut. And then click on the app and click on get or install. And once it's finished installing, you can try to launch it from here from the Microsoft Store. Now, if you have already got it from here, try to download it from the browser instead. So you want to open up your browser and search for CapCut. And then click on the first link. And then you want to click on the download on the top right hand side and wait for the installer to download. And then you should simply launch the installer and wait for it to download and install CapCut again. And now once you try to launch CapCut as administrator, it should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.